Hey, Melanie. So we took a week off or so. This one is Who Will Save Your Soul by Jewel. 4 chords: A minor, C, G, D. All in first position. And you could strum it, actually. That is a D with a suspended fourth, is what it's called. It's where you add your pinky, like we talked about previously, to accentuate the chord. It's called a suspended fourth for this exercise. It's just adding your pinky to the first string, 3rd fret. You'll hear that a zillion times in your guitar learning. The difference with this song is how it's played. So we talked about the chords: A minor, C, G. There's a variation of G, which I'll show you here momentarily. And then there is a D. That's the song, structurally. The way it's played is freestyle with a lot of flavor, a lot of add-ons and pull-offs. So on the A minor, you can add on with your pinky to the 3rd fret, 2nd string. You can pull off and add on with the 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. And then when you go to C, you could do the exact same thing. Add on, pull off with your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And add on, pull off 1st fret, 1st finger, 2nd string. So collectively, it's A minor, C, G, D. The only difference is that finger picking, okay, using my thumb to downstroke on the chord note. And by that I mean, so when I play the A minor, my thumb is on the 5th string, it strokes the A string. And you can do that however you want to, whatever is comfortable for you. I kind of like that. I think that's it's a good way to play that song. And you could switch up from finger picking to chords for emphasis. Maybe for the chorus, that's a strummed. Alright, so let me help you with these chords a little bit. So the A minor, right? Traditional A minor. So you can see my right hand also. Excuse me. Start with the A note, 5th string, open. I'm also downstroking the 2nd string in the chord, which happens to be the 4th string on the fret at the 2nd fret, right? So, and then up. And you could do that, and you switch to C, same exact fingering. And since the pinky is already at that 3rd fret, because I'm holding a G chord, you can keep that pinky there while you're switching to a D chord, and what that gives you is a transition between a G, a D suspended 4th, and a D. So it's like this. Let's see. So it's, let me not confuse myself. So in other words, you're minimizing the, moving all over the place and maximizing the position that your fingers are already in given the chord structure. You're using primarily your pinky and your index finger to add on, pull off. I mentioned an alternate G, so traditional G leaves the 2nd string B note open, but if you hold your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, which is a very, very, very common accentuated G, you get a little more high end, a little brighter, because both chords make in other words, the D is already inside of the G chord, right? So if you just play it traditionally, you're ringing the open D string. So to add another higher D is no trouble. You just do it with your ring finger, which is going to need to be there anyway to transition to the D chord. You feeling me on that? So, I got cat hair on my face. Sorry. So that's that song in its basics, and you'll just have to make it your own. There's no wrong way to play it. It's just a finger picking and tempo and sound that agrees with you. And so play with it. And in the bigger picture of your guitar learning, these concepts apply to, they're universal. So they apply to every song that you would ever care to play. You'd be really surprised about how much those are all simple add-on pull-offs. As you develop your guitar playing, be sure that you're not just strumming. That's a good start to make sure that the chords and the strings are ringing clearly. But once you have that down and are comfortable, then you should target add-ons and pull-offs. So this is going to be a D, C, G type of. You get it? All right, that's it for this lesson, and hope you're enjoying these, getting something out of them, and look forward to seeing you and your husband soon. All right, take care.